It makes us easier to come this way. Like now I can cycle instead of driving, and I don't like to go on the busy roads, especially if I go with her. I don't feel that safe, but with this it's so much easier and I can kind of do it more and more frequently. So I will definitely use it more rather than the car too.
I had to cycle to Canning Town every day. So the path basically ended at the Woolwich Ferry, and then we had to go up onto the murderous Woolwich Road. Of course, having this new path here is going to make things a hell of a lot safer for cyclists and walkers as well, and hopefully it's going to encourage more and more people to come down here. We're now basically connected all the way from North Greenwich, i.e. the O2, all the way now to Gravesend, non-stop. So that's a good thing.
It's fantastic to be here today. We're opening up this new section of the Quietway along the Thames Path, and it's so particularly exciting to do this section. This opens this up for the communities, opens it up for people who live in the area, making it easier to get to the shops, making it easier to get to school, but also for walkers who actually want to walk a longer route. Local cyclists have been campaigning this for over 20 years to get this done. So it's fantastic that the Borough, Sustrans, Transport for London, the Mayor's Office have come together to deliver this and make sure that this is a route that is open for all Londoners to enjoy as much as they want.
We use this path regularly on Tuesdays for a healthy walk from Woolwich, and also for a river ramble on Saturdays. And the reopening of this section is a major benefit to us in keeping us away from traffic, noise and pollution.
The walk I lead is on a Tuesday, which is a health walk, and my walkers are much less capable than Michael's are. And they're very, very excited about the fact that they'll have this extra challenge ahead of them when we can start using the walkway through the dockyard. So we're very, very excited.
Sustrans have been involved in this through our work on Quietways as TfL's delivery agent for the Quietways programme. We were involved in doing feasibility study for the route that this project's on, for the Thames Path. And basically pitching it to get the funding to enable this project to happen and to be opened alongside all the partners in delivery, TfL and the boroughs involved, in this case Greenwich, and all of the other partners locally. But we're very proud of our involvement.
We're really excited that we can have the Missing Link open here. It's been a long campaign working with local residents who really have worked hard on this, as well as working with the Mayor of London, TfL and Sustran to make this project come to fruition.
It connects up a place that can basically enable local journeys for the people who live around here, but it's also an important part of the emerging network for London, made up of Quietways and cycle superhighways. And without that programme, without the funding from that programme and the political will behind that programme from London's Mayor, it just wouldn't happen. So we're delighted to see this open today.